Hi everyone.
Okay. Hi everybody. You're so beautiful.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Welcome to.
Take it back in the kitchen.
And today we're going to make a very nice and easy recipe. From where, Juliet?
Korea.
Korea.
Yeah, Korea.
Are you sure it's a Korean?
I'm
So
sure
tell me the name of your recipe, your Korean recipe. Sopapilla. Yes, it's written here, Sopapilla.
I think it's Mexican.
But I think it's a Mexican recipe. You're right, it's a Mexican recipe. Which one of our friends, which he gave us to us because his friend and his other friend and friend of the friend of the other friend has given it to him, and then we now making it. It's really
Nice.
really nice.
And
Snap it
easy.
and try it because you have to follow us until the end of the video. Subscribe down here, leave your like as you
Button.
like the best. Watch the video until the end. Help us to bring all the recipes. We will try to bring the recipes from around the world.
Yeah.
And now, don't forget to follow this video until the end because we're going to show how to do
Sopapillas.
sopapillas. I'm sorry, it's English. I'm sorry about that. Spanish and Mexican speakers all followers because we don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Now follow us to the end of this video and see how it will taste.
Wait, the ingredients are also down here.
Hey, sorry, the ingredients are all down here below in the box. Yes, so now follow us to the recipe.
Our first ingredient, we're going to add 600 grams of plain flour. Now 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Get everything in there. Reveal sticky here. Mix it. Now 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now 4 tablespoons of butter. Mix it. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water. Not hot, but warm water. Now I'm going to use a spatula seasoning. I'm going to mix it out of our hands. Mix a little bit more. Now move all this to the side. Move it, put some flour on the table. Spread it out like this. And now get the dough, rip it in half, leave this one here. Now we're going to put it on here. Get the rolling pin, then roll it. Open it a little bit more. Then now I'm going to go take my roll. This dough has to be 1 centimeter small. So then now I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it into triangles like this, and then like this, here, then here. We finished cutting, now it's time to fry. try. We're just gonna add some honey all around. Add some more honey. Need to add honey on top of every single one. Then we're going to taste them. Hello, is anybody there? Hello.
Hey.
Wait.
Yes.
So now I'm going to show you how the recipe has ended.
Now it's time to see how it ended.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Juliet, show to the camera, show to every follower. Wow, look at the honey. Now, guys, it's time for us to try. I'm gonna get this small one here with honey.
I'm gonna take this one.
The big one. So now, look at that. Look at this.
You saw nothing.
Time to try. So good. Is it good, Juliet? Very good. Can you speak with your mouth full? No! I'm sorry. Once again, but it's so delicious, guys. Have you seen how easy it is to do? You can hold it, please. You see it how easy it is to do from the scratch. 35 minutes, you have a nice dessert or a treat for the afternoon. If you like to do it, follow us, follow the recipe. You can make it wrong. You can get it wrong. As Juliet did it perfectly. So now, thanks for following us until the end of this video. Now it's time to say bye. Because we're gonna carry on eating. Bye.